In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all photos in OneDrive, a quick and easy process that you can accomplish in just a few minutes. If you have a large number of photos stored and need to organize or move them, selecting them all at once is a handy skill to have. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. This step is essential because OneDrive is a service provided by Microsoft, and you'll need to access your account to use it. Once you're successfully logged in, look at the top left corner of your screen, where you'll see an icon that resembles a grid of dots. This is known as the App Launcher. Go ahead and click on it. This will display a drop-down menu with a variety of Microsoft apps available to you. From this menu, select the OneDrive icon, which should be one of the options. Clicking it will open OneDrive, where all your files and folders are stored. Now that you're in OneDrive, direct your attention to the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. Here, you want to find and click on the My Files section. This is where you'll find all of your stored documents and media. After entering My Files, navigate to the specific folder that contains the photos you want to select. You can do this by either browsing through your folders or using the search function if you've got lots of files and need to pinpoint the exact location quickly. Once you've located the folder containing your photos, you have two methods available to select all the files. The first method is to use a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl and A simultaneously. This is a universal command that selects everything in the current folder on both Windows and Mac systems, although Mac users would use Command instead of Ctrl. If you prefer using the mouse, there's a second method available to you. At the top left corner of your file list within the folder, you'll notice a small empty circle icon. By clicking on this circle, you can select all files in that folder with a single click. It's a straightforward visual method for those who find keyboard shortcuts cumbersome. And that's all there is to it. Whether you prefer using your keyboard or your mouse, you can now efficiently select all your photos in OneDrive, helping you manage your files quicker and with greater ease. Remember, mastering these basic but essential operations can significantly improve your digital organization. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.